Okay, so I don't know if you can see this, but I think the capstan roller is still in a pretty bad state. So what I'm going to try and do is take the E-clip off and try not to lose it, which you probably will. And then by getting underneath it and levering up like that, hopefully I'll be able to pop it up. They're really difficult to get back in again. Get the pinch roller out. Might replace the pinch roller. They're not too expensive, but I've got some 255 grit sandpaper, and I will try and sand it down a little bit to see if that helps. And again, use some of that rubber rejuvenator. But as you can see, it doesn't look so good. But we'll have a look at it once it comes out. Okay, so the pinch roller is out. This is what it looks like. If you get a close enough image of it, you can see it's not looking too bad, but I'm going to try and scuff it up with some sandpaper and see if I can't clean it down a little bit better. Okay, this is it now, having a little bit of a sand down. I've tried to keep it as even as possible to make sure that nothing would get a flat spot on it, but this is pretty damn tricky. For those of you who are trying to figure out how to get it out, there's a little spring under here, goes up and underneath the pinch roller, and this is where the roller obviously sits on it, and then the C-clip or E-clip is down in here, so that's where my challenge is going to be, fitting that back on. So what I'm now going to do is going to use my rubber renewal stuff and again put it on that to hopefully make it even more sticky. Okay, so I think I have it all set up. I've got the E-clip back on by the looks of things. I've cleaned down the wheel as much as I can. There are a few spots on it, but I think it's probably still going to be better than what it was like. So assuming that I've got that E-clip on correctly, which I think I have, then we're good to go. There's also this mark on the actual head, so I don't know if that's dirt or rust. I may look at that a little bit more closely in the imagery and see if I can figure out what it is, but I'm not sure it's having any impact. If it is, I might try and get a new head for this, if that's the case.